So I made my own Amazon with React.js, React Router DOM, React currency format, and Firebase. So first, let's start with the development process.
Microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, make it a microphone.
And if you want to see the website now itself, skip to the time lapse. Timestamps given below. So I started working on this project during summer vacation of 2022. Now you might wonder,
why did it take so long?
Actually, the reason is that I started coding in a Windows 7 laptop and Node.js version 13.9 was the latest version that could be installed on it, and create React app was not possible on it. And whenever I tried create React app in it, they always said
Create React app requires Node.js 14 or higher.
so. I got a solution. I decided to use Vue.js for it, and it's not actually White.js, it is Vue.js. They have especially mentioned it in their website itself. By the time I solved one problem, there was another problem, and the problem was that there was a new update of Vue.js which made it so that it needed higher versions of Node.js for it to be, run and installed. And then during the 4th week of October, I downloaded the LTS of Node.js in my Windows 10 laptop. And then the plan was on.
And hey, the plan is on.
A pop mind fried to a crisp, make an MC into a wide-eyed lunatic.
So first, I started the website with npm start. Now it is successfully running in localhost 3000. So let's check it out. So this is the website. It is having add to basket functionality, authentication, etc. First, let's test the authentication. So I'm not having an account, and if you check now, there are no accounts in Firebase. Now let's give the details and just give sign in for a test. As you can see, Firebase gave us an error message. Now let's click create an account and check Firebase where it added my account. Now let's test the add to basket function. I'll add some items. You see the number increasing? That's splendid. Now let's click the number so that it redirects us to the basket page. Here we can review our item. The subtotal here is a chaos. It is the only bug in this whole website. Now let's order it, shall we? It is going to deliver here. And these are the items. And now the payment is not working as it is not needed because I built this to test my skills. And if you like my skills, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. So now I'll start explaining the build. And this is going to be a bit boring for the viewers who came to see this website. So I recommend you to skip to the conclusion. So let's start. So as you all know, in React, components are there. If you don't know, I will explain it quickly. From here to here, if it is a component and if there is an update inside this, the whole page will not reload. Only the part here will reload. Like it will not reload like this. Now I'll tell you how I split the components in this website. Okay, so first from here to here, this is the header and rest of it is the home.js. I will just show you that. So this is the home component and this is the header component. Now, if you take a look at the home component, there are two other components. That is the product component as well as the offers component. Okay, so if you take a look at here, this white rectangle, this white rectangle part is the product component, and this is just one component. And now you might be wondering, then how can it render different different heading, different rating, different price, different images, etc. So this is actually by the use of React props. So I have just passed some parameters or props. That is how it is defined in React. So there is a head prop, right? So that is going to be used here, and the price prop is going to be here used here, and the URL is going to be used as the source for the image, and the rating is going to be used here. So this is actually an awesome function. So this will check the number of the rating and then fill it with the number of stars needed. So that's a function that I wrote, or you see, that's very interesting. So these props are written here. So if there is a prop that is passed, then it will come through, and if the head is equal to fag as b, then here it will be fag as b. Let's take an example and understand this. So here I am rendering a product. Okay, so this is actually the component of this Galaxy phone. So here I have passed in the heading as this thing, so that is being rendered here. Then the URL is this is from Amazon itself, and that is this image. And then the price is 89, so $89, and then rating is 3, which renders 3. Okay, good. Now let's just render one product here. So I will go down, I will start rendering a product. So I will first take the product component and render it here. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it is coming like this, you see. So now nothing is there. Now we have to pass the props that are there. Okay, so here is an item. This is from Amazon itself. So first I will pass in the head prop. So this is going to be, let's take till here, core processor. Yeah, that's, now I will pass it here. Okay, there is an error. No, why? Okay, it is because of this, this inverted comma. Okay, now that error is gone. Now if you take a look at here, you see now the the header is here. Okay, now next we have to pass in the URL. So for URL, what I usually do is that I just right click here, copy image address, pass it here. And the price of this laptop is price is equal to 399 399.97, and the rating is 4.5. And actually in this website we can't do like half extra, so I'm just going to give 4. And now if you take a look at here, it is completely here. One more thing, there is always a styling that goes into it. Let's take an example of this image. This image has a styling of this, so whichever image is here, it will be styled into this. Okay, so that's it. Now if you take a look at this website, you can see like this recommended deals, 1 hour 13 minutes left. Components are not used here. Actually I'm just writing H2, and I'm just doing an inline styling. So, and that is the same for this gaming corner heading. So this is for the gaming corner. Here also I had an inline styling. Yeah, so that's it for the product. Now if you take a look at this, you see this Kantara and FIFA. So this is actually another component known as offer. This is very simple. This is just having 2 props, that is the photo and head prop. The head is passed here and the photo is passed as the source of this image. And if you take a look at the offers.css, you can see bunch of styling here, which is always there. So now actually I think it is time to change this. Watch the FIFA World Cup live in Geo Cinemas, because FIFA is of course over. So I think let's change it now. So I'm just going to give, maybe let's go watch Premier League. In which platform? Yeah, I think in Disney Plus. You see, that's reloading now. The whole page is not reloading. So that's what I told about React. Okay, the Giants are back. Nice. Okay, let's copy the image address, then replace it with photo here. That looks good. So that's all in the home page. Take a look. If when I click this number, I will just add 2 things. When I click this number, we are being directed to /basket. So here I use React router DOM. If you take a look at app.js, here I am having different routes. So for when it is /basket, I will render the header component as well as the basket component. And when it is just slash, that means just localhost, then I will just render header and home. And when it is slash home as well, it will be the same, like the home page slash home also it will be the same. And for slash login, I will just sign out. So it will be the login component. And for slash checkout, which is the proceed to pay page, I will just go there. Yeah, for here I will render the header as well as the checkout. So that's it. So that is the place where I used React Router DOM, and for the subtotal I used React currency format. And so here the basket as well as the subtotal are different components. The subtotal is one component as well as the basket is another component. So I have used the context API, to add the things and render it here as well. So now if you click proceed to checkout, this is just one component, that is checkout.js. Yeah, that's the last component. So that's it for the explaining the build. I just wanted to tell you something. In React, we don't usually use the a element for redirecting to somewhere else. So we usually use link, which is from React Router DOM. So for example, I have exported link from React Router DOM and I have used it. So here we do link to will be like the root of the React Router DOM, like slash basket slash home, etc. And if you take a look at here, this is actually a custom logo done by me, similar to the Amazon logo. And do you wonder why I explained the build a lot? You'll see this in the next segment. So yeah, let's go to the next chapter. So I asked myself in the last chapter, what did I explain a lot? And I told you guys there's something waiting on this chapter. What is it? It is an Amazon challenge with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And the authentication, add to basket function, it's not needed. You can just hard code it. And after coding, you can put it in your GitHub and send me the the link, or email me the files, or you can make a short video of it and put with the tag #Amazon SB Challenge 2023. The last date is March 31st, and the best one will be featured in my next video. And talking about video, two things I understood after making this video. First thing is that I'm not able to talk confidently in English while the camera is on, And the second thing is that editing is so hard. Yeah. Back to the video. So yeah, now talking about my website, and it's just 38% done. It is having 62% far more to travel to get to the real Amazon. And that travel is going to be with you guys through my videos, or at least I hope, because I'm too lazy to film and edit. Yeah, I'm trying to make this into a series where I build the Amazon, which is 1-to-1 replica of the real Amazon. So if you are excited for the series, subscribe and turn the bell notifications on. And if you like the video or would thank to my suffering, filming or editing, liking would be amazing. So yeah, this is me, Krishan, 13 years old, signing out. See you, tada, bye bye.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check, give it a microphone, I make it a microphone.